At this point, the decision as to whether any statutory bars to extradition apply would be for the UK courts to determine. I will go no further in discussing the details of the accusations against Mr. Assange, either in the UK's criminal justice system or in the US. But I am pleased that the situation in the Ecuadorian embassy has finally been brought to an end.
We have the utmost confidence in the British legal system, but we would say on this side of the House, we would be very concerned that on the basis of what we know, Julian Assange was extradited to the US.
The reason Mr. Assange has been arrested is because he failed to surrender to a UK court. Yeah. That's why he's been arrested, and there was a provisional arrest warrant which is subject to extradition proceedings, but that is usual procedures under UK law, and there's no one in this country that is above the law. And the Right Honourable Lady, who we should remember wants to be the Home Secretary, is suggesting that we should not apply the rule of law to an individual. That's right, she's disagreeing sitting from her position, but she is implying, she's saying actually quite clearly that Mr. Assange should be not subject to UK law, and that is something that should worry any British citizen should she ever become Home Secretary.
Julian Assange will get the same consular support and assistance that any other Australian would receive. People's fame and doesn't make any difference on the impact of how these decisions are made. He's an Australian citizen. He'll have that support.
Free the truth, free Assange! Don't shoot the messenger! Free the truth, free Assange! Don't shoot the messenger!
The extradition process itself is a matter between the United States and the United Kingdom, but we have also been provided with that advice from the United Kingdom. Australia, as you have indicated, is completely opposed to the death penalty, and that is a bipartisan position and one which we have continued to advocate. But the matter for the extradition itself is one between the United States and the United Kingdom.
Julian! Bring home Julian! Bring home Julian! Bring home Julian!
And Labor alike have abandoned.
The UK must resist! The UK must resist!